In the next 7 minutes, we're going to create 30 days of social media posts. Imagine doing this for a restaurant, a real estate company, a gym, a landscaping company, an Etsy store, or a YouTube channel. The process will be exactly the same. Most small business owners know they should be posting on social media. The problem is they don't know what to post. So they post randomly, or they stop posting completely, or they spend hours every week trying to come up with ideas. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an entire month of Facebook and Instagram content in about 7 minutes using AI. Not generic content, actual content that a real business could use. And by the end of this video, you'll have a simple process you can use for almost any business. Let's jump in. Let's imagine we own a local coffee shop. Maybe we're great at making coffee. Maybe we know how to serve customers. But marketing? That's a different story. Most business owners don't wake up excited to create Instagram posts. And that's exactly why many businesses struggle with consistency. They post for 3 days, miss 2 weeks, post again, disappear for another month. The issue isn't motivation, the issue is they don't have a system. That's where AI becomes incredibly useful. Today, we're going to build that system. We're inside Magica.ai. The first tool we're going to use is chat with our AI agent. Now, here's the biggest mistake beginners make. They type, "Give me social media posts." That's way too vague. The AI doesn't know what business you own, who your customers are, what makes your business unique. So instead, we're going to give it context. Here's the prompt. I own a local coffee shop that serves college students and remote workers. Create a 30-day social media strategy for Facebook and Instagram. Include educational posts, promotional posts, engagement posts, behind the scenes content, customer stories, and seasonal content. Let's run it. Now look at what happens. The AI immediately starts organizing content into categories. This is important because social media should never be one giant sales pitch. People don't follow businesses to be advertised to every day. They follow businesses because they're entertained, informed, inspired, or connected. AI understands this when you give it enough context. Step 2, build your content pillars. Think of content pillars like categories. Instead of wondering what to post every day, you rotate through themes. Let's ask AI, create 5 content pillars for this coffee shop. Now we get educational content, coffee facts, product spotlights, customer stories, behind the scenes content. This is huge because now we've eliminated the hardest part of content creation, deciding what to talk about. Most businesses never run out of content, they run out of structure. AI helps create that structure. Step 3, generate 30 posts at once. Now let's do something powerful. We're going to ask, generate 30 social media post ideas using these content pillars. Run it. Now watch what happens. We instantly get ideas like Monday, meet the barista. Tuesday, 3 reasons coffee helps productivity. Wednesday, customer spotlight. Thursday, how we source our beans. Friday, weekend special promotion. Saturday, behind the scenes video. Sunday, coffee and relaxation. Quote, and it keeps going. This alone could save a business owner hours every month. But we're not done. Ideas are nice. We need actual content we can use. Step 4, create the actual posts. Now let's grab one idea. For example, customer spotlight. We'll ask, write a Facebook and Instagram post highlighting a customer who studies remotely from our coffee shop. Run it. Instantly, we have a headline, a caption, a story, a call to action, and honestly, many businesses stop here. But we're going to make it even better. Let's refine it. Make it more personal. Add humor. Make it sound more conversational. Now the content becomes much stronger. This is one of the biggest lessons with AI. The first output is usually the draft. The magic happens when you refine. Step 5, create the images. Now let's create visuals, because great social media isn't just text. Let's use an image generator. Prompt, young professional working on a laptop inside a cozy coffee shop with warm lighting and a premium coffee on the table. Generate. And look at that. In seconds, we have custom social media imagery. Think about what this means. A business can now create captions, post ideas, images without hiring a designer, without hiring a social media manager, without spending hours in Canva. That's powerful. Step 6, create an entire monthly calendar. Now let's take this one step further. Let's ask AI, organize all 30 content ideas into a monthly posting calendar. Run it. Now we have week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, everything scheduled, everything organized, no more waking up wondering, what should I post today? The decision making is already done, and that's where AI creates leverage. It doesn't just create content, it removes friction. The big lesson. Now, here's what I want you to take away from this. AI is not replacing creativity, it's speeding up creativity. The business owner still decides the brand voice, the offers, the strategy, but AI handles the heavy lifting. Instead of spending 5 hours planning content, you spend 15 minutes. Instead of struggling for ideas, you start with dozens. And honestly, that's where most of the value comes from momentum. Because businesses grow when they consistently show up, not when they create the perfect post. Today, we created a social media strategy, content pillars, 30 post ideas, Facebook captions, Instagram captions, AI generated images, and a monthly content calendar, all in about 7 minutes. Imagine doing this for a restaurant, a realtor, a gym, a landscaping company, an Etsy store, a YouTube channel. The process is exactly the same, and that's what makes AI so powerful for beginners. You don't need to learn dozens of complicated tools, you just need a simple process and the right platform. If you want to try the same tools I used in this video, I'll leave a link below. And if you want more beginner-friendly tutorials showing you how to grow a business and create content using AI, make sure you subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week.